So in Fresno, California, just finished installing a faucet for the homeowner here. It is a Delta. We don't have the model number. This is purchased by the homeowner. And let's see if we can get you. So that it is right there, 9178 SP DST. And right there, so you can see it. Anyways, faucet installed. A little bit of problem with the mounting bracket. It's a large washer that sits up in here. And there's a little bit of a conflict between where the sink turns down and also the lip of the sink underneath here. So it's just kind of encapsulated in there, not quite sitting flat up against the surface, but it's still tight enough. There's a little bit of movement right here, and that's just the housing right here. It has two little tabs sticking up and two little indents, and that's supposed to sit down in there. The play from the factory just leaves a little bit of movement. So we're not thrilled about that, but you know, it's mounted correctly. Everything's working correctly. We did tighten down your packing nuts down here. Hot and cold water lines, oldest of the home, and just a little bit of moisture. No dripping, no spraying, nothing like that, but there was just a little hint. And so we just put a wrench on the nuts behind those handles and tighten them down hot and cold. And then, of course, you've got the integrated supply lines, those gray tubing back there, hot and cold, going over to the shutoff valves. And so that's part of the faucet. Those aren't ours. Anyways, everything looks good outside of that. This installation is done.